In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design on Google Sites. Whether you're looking to create a personal project or a professional website for your business, Google Sites offers you an intuitive, free platform to get your site up and running in minutes. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring that by the end, you'll feel comfortable and confident in designing your own website. First things first, let's get you signed in to Google Sites. You'll want to start by navigating to the Google Sites website. Once there, you'll see a Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address, type it in and click Next. Following that, you'll need to type in your password. Once you've done that, hit Sign In to access the platform. If you're not already signed up for Google or Google Sites, you'll need to create an account, but don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process. Now, once you're logged in, you're going to want to find your way to your site dashboard. This is where all of your Google Sites projects will be listed. If you're starting from scratch, you'll see an option to create a new site. If you've been here before and are looking to edit an existing project, you'll see your site or sites listed here. The next step is to go into the specific site you wish to design or edit. Simply click on the site's title or the thumbnail provided. This action will take you into the website editor, a powerful yet user-friendly interface that allows you to customize your site to your heart's content. Now for the fun part, designing your site. Look for the Themes option. Once clicked, you'll be presented with a variety of themes to choose from. These themes not only change the look and feel of your site, but also include different layout options and customizable colors and fonts. Take some time to click through the options and preview what each theme looks like. Remember, this choice isn't permanent. You can always come back and change the theme later if your site's needs or your preferences change. A tip to keep in mind while selecting your theme: consider the purpose of your website. Is it for a professional portfolio, a classroom resource, a project showcase, or a personal blog? The theme should match the purpose and tone of your site. Some themes are sleek and modern, perfect for a professional look. Others might be more whimsical and colourful, which could be great for personal projects or classrooms. Once you've selected a theme you like, start exploring the design options. You can customize the fonts, the colour scheme, and even the layout of different elements on your pages. Google Sites drag and drop editor makes it incredibly easy to add, remove, or reposition elements on your pages. Feel free to experiment here. Part of the fun of designing your site is seeing all the possibilities and playing around with different looks. And there you have it. With those steps, you're well on your way to designing a Google site that looks great and serves your needs. Remember, designing a website is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to come back and tweak things as your site evolves or as your needs change. Google Sites makes it easy to edit and update your site so it can grow and change as you do. Thank you for watching, and let your creativity shine as you design your Google site.